Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall all in One SEO settings, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall all in One SEO settings, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left-hand menu. Locate the all-in-one SEO plugin from the list of installed plugins. Click on the deactivate link underneath the plugin's name. Once deactivated, the link will change to delete. Click on the delete link to remove the plugin from your site. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you wish to delete the plugin. After deleting, your site's plugin list will refresh. Now, navigate to the settings section in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find the all-in-one SEO settings. Make sure to review or reset any default settings related to SEO if necessary. Check for any remnants of settings in your database, if required, by using a database management tool like PHPMyAdmin. In PHPMyAdmin, select your WordPress database and search for any tables or entries related to all-in-one SEO. If you find any leftover entries, you can delete them, but proceed with caution. Finally, clear your site's cache to ensure all changes are applied. Your all-in-one SEO settings have now been fully uninstalled. You can install an alternative SEO plugin if needed at this point. That concludes the tutorial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.